What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to change the settings of the Teyes Pro to have English and how to change it so you can have your steering wheel controls. So we'll just wait for this to boot up. I'm kind of simulating what it looks like when you first get the device. My guess is that it's going to be in some other language, probably Russian or Chinese. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like, probably some other language. So first, go to the bottom right, go into settings, go into user, and it should be in a different language, so just in case it is, it's, one from the bottom, it's user, and then you're going to go down to this third one, language and input. Click this first one, then you're going to click the add button. You're going to scroll down. You're going to find the one that says English, and then choose which version. I'm guessing most of you want United States. There you go. And now we can delete the other ones. So click the top three little buttons in the corner. It's this one, the three little green buttons, not this one. Click remove, and then choose the ones that you want to remove. Then click the little trash can in the bottom, top right corner, like you did last time. Okay. There you go. Everything should be all in English now. You can arrange the apps that you want to move onto your home screen. So that's that. And then for the steering wheel controls, let's go back into settings. Go down to factory. Code is 168, confirm. Gonna want to go down to car model. Gonna click that, and this is your CAN bus settings. So you got a little brown CAN box, and that basically just decodes all the car's signals that tell you when to do volume and doors and all that stuff. So if you have a Jeep like mine, you're gonna go XP, gonna go Jeep. And you can just do all, unless you have a very specific settings in your car. Like mine doesn't have anything fancy, so I just go all, and then I click XP for the CAN box type. And after that, you should be good to go. Everything should be clear. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.